Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So I wanted to show you guys what Joe got me for Christmas. A Harvest Right freeze dryer. I've been wanting one for a long time. And we finally got one. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how this thing works. I've used it for a couple of months and I've gotten used to some things like ice cream and ice cream bars and fruit and stuff like that. I haven't done any meats or anything like that yet. But tonight I'm going to make some ice cream sandwiches. So let's get started. So the large comes with 5 of these trays. People use wax paper and sheets to put on top of this. I haven't had any issue yet with getting my stuff off of here. Some stuff sticks, but it's not that bad. So in order to do the ice cream sandwiches, and these have been outside in minus weather, and they're still kind of soft. So what I do is I leave them in the wrapper, but I find the middle point, and then I just cut them in half. Then I'll put them on the tray, like so. And then I'll keep doing that until I get a full tray. I'm going down to Louisiana and I wanted to bring the kids some more stuff. And my little grandson Bradley asked for some ice cream sandwiches. So, and I've got Skittles made already. Alright, I'll be back when I have my tray full. I'm going to go ahead and start my machine, and that'll get the vacuum chamber to cooling. So it'll start cooling, and we'll wait 15 minutes before we load the tray. So that's going to give me time to get my ice cream sandwiches together. So as I finish my trays, I'm going to go ahead and stick them in here. This chamber is going to be cooling, so it's going to get cold. It's 73 degrees now. I don't know if you can see that. But instead of putting them back outside and loading them after I get them all done, I'll just stick them in one by one. So I have everything in, but it's telling me that a warm room temperature batch processing times might take longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a fan and I'm going to blow it on here, because this thing puts off a pretty good amount of heat. It's 74 degrees in here in this room, and I have the heat set on 72. So I'm going to go get a fan and we're going to get this thing going. Alright, so everything's ready. I did close the drain valve, and I'm just going to hit continue. Then I'll be back. sure if you can see that. I'm sure you can hear it. It's at minus 13, 12, 10, and the compressor just kicked on. It keeps fluctuating between about minus 20 and minus 10. And we are 3.5 hours in. Okay, we're 22 hours in and it's complete. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and get them bagged up. So this is what the ice cream comes out like. Pretty hard and crumbly. It's very, very good. So I'm gonna take some of this down to the kiddos. And there you have it. Took about 22 hours. Well, I added more time. Joe added more time for me because I was still at work. So that's how you do ice cream sandwiches. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.